positive guy. So
A bit lah.
could you share with us like how you stay so positive and why do you think it's important to be positive?
I think all of us have the ability to be positive, but mainly let me just share with you my three methods or three ways I can actually think of to actually be more happy. The first thing is this: number one, you are not alone. When we talk about problems in work, 7.5 billion people on the planet. Why do you think that you're the only one going through this? I'm pretty sure there will be someone who had a bad day at work. Pretty sure there was someone who was laid off from their company as well. Pretty sure there was even someone who got their heart broken today. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that the sooner we come to understand that we are not alone, that this is bigger than us, I think that will actually help us, or even helps me kind of grasp whatever situation I'm in. So that's number one. The second thing is, stop comparing, man. Like, stop comparing with other people. Kedudukan dalam kelas. You all remember that? Like, we had this since we were 7 until we were Form 5. We had this ranking in class, and then like we were rewarded by getting the best marks in class. But the thing is, we actually carried this competitive culture, not even just in school, but we carried it to uni and even in our working life. But think about it, even in uni, right? There is no kedudukan dalam kelas. Like, if you get first class, I also can get first class. There is no competition. I've seen this happen a lot of times. Like, whenever I ask a friend, bro, you did the assignment already, you know, like, can you give me some tips? Then they will be like, oh no lah, I also haven't do lah, I haven't studied this part lah. But actually, they know. It's just that they are so selfish on sharing the knowledge or even giving help to others because they want to be the best. And I don't blame them. It's because we actually have this mindset ever since we were in primary school. And this has carried to working life as well. Oh, I want that promotion, you know, I want to be the best. But guys, really, it's not a competition. Not everything is a competition. We watched Three Idiots, right? Life is a race. But no, life is not a race. We can actually help each other achieve a certain goal. So I think when we finally grasp that concept, we can actually help each other, and really on our own, we cannot achieve anything. Look at the Stone Age, right? Civilizations were actually built because people helped each other. Some were cultivating the land, some had to go out to hunt. So it's the same thing. Even now, as human beings, we cannot do things ourselves. On our own, we are really finite. That's why we need people. So stop comparing yourself. Every time you look on social media, right, you see people's achievements, and if you feel bad about yourself, don't. Because everyone flexes their best achievements on social media, right? No one's going to post something bad, or it doesn't work that way. So that is social media. Every second you spend looking at others or seeing or watching other people's dreams and visions is a second that you're taking away from time that you could have spent creating something for yourself. So stop comparing with people. Number 3, this is one of my favorites. Shift your focus. I think this is really important because we magnify whatever we focus on. I hope you got that. Everything we focus on, we magnify, we see more of. So if you focus on what you don't have, or your flaws, your mistakes, you will actually see more of those. It's very human to make mistakes, that's what I'm trying to say. However, if we choose to focus on those things only, whatever we achieve, whatever great things or success, milestones we achieve, we may not even celebrate it because we only focus so much on the mistakes or negative or what we don't have that it's so easy to brush off or diminish whatever achievements we achieve lah. So really shifting your focus. So what is your focus today? Are you focusing on the fact that you lost a job? Or the fact that, hey, I actually have more time now since I'm not working OT 12 hours a day for a company that doesn't even appreciate me. So it's really two ways to look at it. So the first thing is to realize that we are not alone. 7.5 billion people in this world. This is bigger than us. Whatever we go through, we are really not the only ones going through. You're not that special, okay, to be able to go through a specific challenge just for you. Number 2, stop comparing, stop competing with people because the only competition you actually have is with yourself. And number 3, shift your focus, magnify the good things, magnify the little good things, even the fact that you have a home to go to, the fact you have family around you, you know, simple stuff that will really go a long way in terms of being more positive. So yeah, these are just 3 simple ways that I've applied or I continue to remind myself. So let's go out there and be positive.